know if you can see this, but your cat's ears have these crevices in there you should, like, clean out. So you get dirt. I'm not hurting her. I did it for like 25 years. I groomed animals. And then if you get the feel, you can sometimes get in there really good and get it out. Dogs used to like to smell too, and the stuff that you got out of their ears. They were funny. Or some dogs used to even get zits like people. If you'd pick them, they'd want to freaking smell them. Animals are cool. I miss grooming animals. I was really good at it. I was a good one. I miss it.